Hi, welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Here we have the Golf GTE 1.4 TSI. As you may well be aware, we've actually taken orders of these. Luckily we have got our hands on one. This is finished in the pure white with the upgraded alloys. With this vehicle it comes under the DOS Auto approved scheme. So you have the 142 point check, 12 months roadside assistance and 5-day free insurance courtesy of Volkswagen. With this vehicle it features the panoramic sunroof for the sunny days like today. Going inside of the vehicle, features a flat multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. Comes with the new active info display, a touchscreen infotainment screen with sat nav in the DSG box as well. This also has the Vienna leather that has the heated front seats, automatic headlights, folding wing mirrors, and a great all-round car. For more information or a test drive on this vehicle, please call the sales team here at Wrexham Volkswagen. Ask for Phil, Harry or Glenn and we'll be able to give you a tailored finance quote and more options on this vehicle. Many thanks for watching.